What word is used to describe how big a map is compared to how big the reality is? Size, scope, scale, stature. Scale is how many inches on the map correspond to how many inches in reality. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul, Saigon, Sapporo, St. George. Seoul is a very wealthy city with the misfortune of being within easy shooting distance of North Korea, even using conventional weapons. What is the capital of Sweden? St. Helga, Stockholm, Salta, Salzburg. This is a very prosperous and lovely city that suffers from being dark half of the year. What is the name for a large ocean inlet? Shape, sweep, suit, sound. A sound is deeper than a bay and wider than a fjord. What is the geographical word for underground? Subducted, subterranean, subground, sunderground. Subterranean means anything going on beneath the ground, such as moles, earthquakes, and secret meetings. What is the top of a hill or mountain called? Surface, spike, superior, summit. The summit is the top of the mountain. What is the skill of analyzing and measuring landscapes to turn them into a map? Strategizing, surveying, sizing up, seizing. A surveyor is a person who takes these measurements. A cartographer is the one who draws the map itself. What is a small brook that comes out of the ground? Stream, spring, sliver, speck. A spring is the head of a waterway that is quite small. Which hemisphere has the least land? Southerly, southern, south, southmost. It is the southern hemisphere, to use its proper name. What is a narrow passage of water connecting two bigger areas of water? Stream, sliver, strait, sweep. Gibraltar and Bering are two examples of very famous straits. What is the point on the mountain above which it is always snowy? Snow point, snow height, snowpack, snowline. This is an altitude at which the snow always starts. It can go lower, but you always find it higher up, as long as the climate stays the same. What is the name for a type of dirt that contains microbes and can be fertile and farmed? Soil, sand, sublime, spawn. Soil is not dirt, as dirt is just muck, whereas soil has the capacity for life in it. What is the height of the top of all the salty bodies of water called? Surface, sea level, shape, scope. Sea levels are currently set by the Holocene climate, the one of the last 12,000 years. Thanks to rising carbon levels, they have risen 8 inches in the last couple decades and might go up another 3 feet this century. What is a low point between two peaks? Saddle, summit, swoop, scar. A saddle is a low point between two peaks, named because it looks like a horse saddle.